aggressive looking Range Rover Startech. So again, black gloss grille, aggressive bumper styling with carbon fiber right here, the Startech logo touch, added LED DLRs and fog lights right here, aggressive vents. From this side you can see Startech polished wheels that actually look incredible with this combination of this gray metallic paint and carbon fiber and gloss black details all around the car. You can see these fake vents that are actually giving the car a pretty cool look. As I said, I love these polished wheels, they look so good. Also, let's have a look at brakes. You can see a huge red Startech caliper right there. Blacked out inside of the taillights. That actually looks incredible. A carbon fiber strip right here with Startech logo, of course. Then the Startech logo instead of the Range Rover. And let's have a look at the back of the car. Again, a sports bumper similar to what the Maserati has, with the signature weirdly cut out exhaust. So let's have a look inside of the car. Inside you can see a beautiful brown leather interior with nice stitching all around, Meridian sound system, basically the full possible options. This nice wood grain also, and a black Alcantara headliner with panoramic roof that it's now closed. Soft closing doors, of course. Startech logo here as well. Beautiful wood grain, and the two-tone interior with the orange leather and black leather. And this is also the new interior of the facelifted Range Rover. So it goes in the style with the Range Rover Velar. Okay. And Startech refinement, very soft floor mats. I'm just going to show you the wheels once more. So this side is with the polished Startech wheels, and this side is with the blacked out wheels right here.